Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses eastern New Mexico, northwestern and western Texas, most of Oklahoma, southern Kansas, and southeastern Colorado. Cities in tomorrow's slate include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Lubbock, Texas, and Amarillo, Texas. And we have a long marginal area tomorrow. The marginal tomorrow covers parts of Texas, parts of New Mexico, parts of Colorado, southeastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, parts of Kansas, parts of Oklahoma, southern Missouri, the northern half of Arkansas, extreme northwestern Mississippi, western Alabama, the northwestern half of Kentucky, southern Illinois, southern Indiana, much of Ohio, far northern West Virginia, western and northern Pennsylvania, much of New York State, far northwestern Massachusetts, all of Vermont, most of New Hampshire, and most of Maine. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Columbus, Ohio, Memphis, Tennessee, Denver, Colorado, Nashville, Tennessee, and Colorado Springs, Colorado. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow, there is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses northwestern Texas, the Oklahoma Panhandle, southwestern Kansas, and far southeastern Colorado. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area tomorrow include Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Plainview, Texas, Liberal, Kansas, and Pampa, Texas. And we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses parts of southeast Colorado, southern Kansas, most of Oklahoma, parts of Texas, and eastern New Mexico. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Norman, Oklahoma, and Midland, Texas. Going to the wind threat for tomorrow, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Colorado, southern Kansas, most of Oklahoma, northwestern and western Texas, and eastern New Mexico. Cities in the 15% wind risk area tomorrow include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Lubbock, Texas, and Amarillo, Texas. And we have a long 5% wind risk area tomorrow encompassing far southeastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, parts of Colorado, parts of New Mexico, parts of Texas, parts of Kansas, parts of Oklahoma, southern Missouri, northern half of Arkansas, far northwestern Mississippi, western Tennessee, western and north central Kentucky, southern Illinois, southern Indiana, most of Ohio, northern West Virginia, western and northern Pennsylvania, much of New York State, northwestern Massachusetts, all of Vermont, most of New Hampshire, and most of Maine. Cities in the 5% wind risk area tomorrow include Columbus, Ohio, Memphis, Tennessee, Denver, Colorado, Nashville, Tennessee, and Colorado Springs, Colorado. Going to the hail threat for tomorrow, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Colorado, southwestern Kansas, northwestern Oklahoma, the Oklahoma Panhandle, northwestern and western Texas, and eastern New Mexico. Cities in the 15% hail risk area tomorrow include Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, and not Colorado Springs, and also Odessa, Texas, and Enid, Oklahoma. Now, there are two black dashed areas. One black dashed area tomorrow covers far southeastern Colorado, southwestern Kansas, and much of the Oklahoma Panhandle. And the other black dashed area tomorrow encompasses west central Texas and a bit of southeastern. Why'd you do that to me? The other black dashed area covers west central Texas, and a bit of southeast New Mexico. The black dashed areas are where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Cities in the black dashed areas tomorrow include Lubbock, Texas, Dodge City, Kansas, Liberal, Kansas, Levelland, Texas, and Guyman, Oklahoma. And again, the black dashed areas are where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. And there are 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. One covering southeastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, eastern Colorado, parts of New Mexico, parts of Texas, parts of Kansas, much of Oklahoma, southern Missouri, northern Arkansas, the very far extreme northwestern tip of Mississippi, western Tennessee, southwestern Kentucky, and south central Illinois. And the other 5% hail risk area tomorrow encompasses a bit of east central Ohio, northwestern Pennsylvania, parts of New York State, northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, and northern and west central Maine. Cities in the 5% hail risk areas tomorrow include Memphis, Tennessee, Denver, Colorado, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Colorado Springs, Colorado. So in summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are anticipated mainly from late afternoon Thursday into Thursday night from the southern high plains across southern Kansas and Oklahoma. A few tornadoes, large to isolated very large hail, and severe gusts are possible. So that's the day 2 outlook. So anyway, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, even in the marginal, because sometimes marginal can produce some pretty strong storms. And so take today to prepare for tomorrow's severe weather. And before you go to bed tomorrow night, be sure to have something wake you tomorrow night for severe weather, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone. And if possible, sleep in your basement or safe room tomorrow night to avoid having to move during the night. So stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, and I will go over all of this again in the morning. Take care.